Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back. Today's chef is going to show us how to make the fried chicken sandwich. Now chef said that there are a lot of videos out there, recipes, books on how to make fried chicken sandwiches, but he said to make it simple. Just watch ours. That's all. So let's go ahead and get cooking. So chef's going to actually be using thinly sliced chicken breast cutlets. They're fresh from the store. He's not going to use chicken thighs, he's going to use chicken breast. Next up, take a nice piece of saran wrap, put them over the top, and use a meat tenderizer to just gently kind of melt them out, thin them out, cut them in half, things like that. So off camera, please, beat your meat. Off camera. Alright, so now he has his buttermilk. These are his wet ingredients. He's going to add some salt, and then some pepper, and then a little bit of paprika as well. Of course, he said, whatever you would like, you can make with our seasonings. Whisk these all together, and our ingredients are going to be listed down below. Now chef's going to go ahead and take those pieces of chicken and place them in the marinade. A couple hours, chef said, at least 4 hours in the fridge or up to overnight. So 4 hours in the fridge, or you can leave them overnight in that fridge. Keep them nice and cold though. So now chef's going to work his flour. So he's got salt and pepper again, just basic flour, and now he's going to use smoked paprika and some garlic powder. And again, just mix that together with a fork, and you can use other ingredients. It's totally up to you. Okay, so it's been several hours since chef has everything laid out. He's got his wet ingredients, dry ingredients, and his fryer oil. So chef's now going to put everything together for us. So first he wants to say use fresh oil, get it up to about 375 degrees, and keep the heat on medium. Also, get your oven set to about 200 degrees. Take your piece of chicken, move it from the buttermilk to the flour, and just go back and forth and dredge it. Once there's a really good coating of flour, go ahead and just slowly move it to the oil, chef said. However, you don't want to obviously throw it in. So he's actually just going to lay it nice and in slow, just like so. So chef's got two pieces going. They're going to take several minutes. You want to flip them, of course. 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, or a little bit or higher, never below. Chef's going to take them out. He's going to put these in his oven, 200 degrees. He's going to keep them crispy that way. So very important. Don't let them sit out. Keep them in a nice warm oven if you're making a few pieces of chicken. And then continue on and making the rest. So chef's down to his last several pieces, and he's going to do the double dip. So he dipped it already in the buttermilk and flour, and now he's going to go back. So now he's going to do 2 coats. And this is kind of a popular thing people do online, so chef did want to try it. Don't watch their videos, just watch ours. We watched them for you. So again, he's just going to slowly put that double dip in, and there it is. Came out really crispy, so we'll talk about that in a little bit. And this is one of the reasons why we've been a little bit behind on videos, but it's a good reason. Okay, so chef has all his chicken pieces that have been just hanging out in that low 200 degree oven, keeping them crispy. Now chef's going to start off with, he's got a nice solid bun there going. He said if you want to throw some butter and toast it, you can. He's going to keep his buns untoasted. A little bit of mayo. Next up, some sliced dill pickles. Labels out. We're not sponsored. And chef said he's going to try to keep this as classic as he can. However, he's going to add some shredded iceberg lettuce. It made for a great bed. Added some crisp crunch to it, and it was really good. And then the piece of the resistance. Is that how you say it? The fried chicken. Place that right there. Bun on top. And there you have it. Very simple. So chef's going to cut into this because viewers have been asking us to see, see what's inside. So it's not fake. And there it is, a nice, juicy, crispy piece of chicken. It came out really well. Here it is. He had some fries, served it up, and I had one, and I took one for lunch the next day. Chef gave me 2 pieces, and they tasted like restaurant style. They were so good. So, as you can see, this was so simple to make. They're not hard to make. Please don't stress over it. Just have fun. Make this up. We think you're going to enjoy it. All right, everyone, don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. Until next time, thanks.